Are you running Ethernet cables, maybe for access point, as you can see there, or maybe for terminals here for RGA 45, and you want to use one of these small vacuum cleaners, and you want to know if it works or not, if it's worth it or not? I'm going to show you how it works, so that way, after you put all the labels and everything, you will see if you can do the job or not. So as you can see, we have the option speed 1, slow, or 2, go fast, but the battery is going to be depleted faster. So basically, you take this out. Here you have the battery, push here. You have, that is fully charged. You want to remove the accessories, you can do it from here, easy. And then you can close it or not. From here, it doesn't matter. The handle is now attached to this. Here you have you can use it, for dry or wet things. And here you have this where that you can just untwist it and then remove this. And you can, if you want to blow, let's say if you want to hook it up here, let's say you have to blow up, blow some air in a computer, something like that, you can do that like that. Or if you want to suck air or anything like that have here, you can leave it the way it is. So it is up to you. For small things, I think you can use it as a blower. Otherwise, you can use it just to blow, to suck any debris or small thing that you have been using. For instance, in this case, we work putting some labels here and there, and then we were, doing some mess here. So we're going to clean up here.